This is gonna blow your mind. Homemade tandoori chicken in a few simple steps. Let's get cooking. Start with 3 to 4 skinless chicken breasts. Grab a big bowl and mix up your marinade. 1 cup of curd, 4 crushed garlic cloves, an inch of crushed ginger, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and salt to taste. Dip those chicken pieces in the marinade and let them chill in the fridge for 2 hours. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees, or if you're using a grill, preheat it for 15 minutes. Once it's hot, place the marinated chicken in the oven or grill at 165 degrees. Turn the chicken every 5 to 6 minutes so both sides get that lovely even cook. When it turns crusty and golden, it's ready to go. You could either make it red with Kashmiri chili or brown without red chili powder. Serve it up and watch everyone dive in. Enjoy your homemade tandoori chicken.